Hi, good morning, and I hope you're doing very well. All right, I just want to give a simple tip about charcoal. All right, I said charcoal. You see it? Yes. Okay. Here is a simple tip. Please make sure you have a charcoal in your home. It could serve as a first aid um, treatment for a lot of things. And one pretty example is poison. Okay, so if someone or a child took anything harmful, that child could have charcoal. You could just just fetch a little of the charcoal, just grind it into powdery form and put it on the tongue for a child. Okay, if you put it in water, it will be floating. So, but you could try to put it in water and let the child drink. Not so much. I'm not a doctor. I'm just saying as a first aid kit before you take your child to the hospital. So charcoal, this same charcoal can also remove the smell of cold. I don't know, what do we call it? It's not fungi. Uh, Algae. Algae cold on the wall where you enter a house and you can just smell that. It just dampens the air in the whole room. So you can keep big chunks of charcoal just by the corners of the room. So what the charcoal does is it helps to pull out that stench or that dampness, and it gives a breathable air in the room. So you can try that if you live in a damp area where your house walls are barely dried. Okay, and if you know of any uses of charcoal that is not specifically meant for professionals, but we can use them, please, you can write them in the comments so that we will have more ideas. Okay, and if you have used charcoal for any first aid, you can write it in the comments to encourage somebody too. So thank you. I hope it helps. Have a blessed day today.